Hello all. So today we have come up with another interview topic, that is how will you introduce yourself as a Scrum Master in any interview. So this is the question which we all are aware that we will be going to ask. So it helps that when you like prepare it in advance before appearing for the interview. So today I will share with you few suggestions and tips how you can prepare the answer for this question, like how will you introduce yourself. And these things which I have applied in my previous interviews and it worked for me, so thought to share with you all. So let's start. So my first so before I start, I want to tell you that I have segregated the interview, like introduction part, in two category. One is, suppose you have maybe 5+ years of experience in a relevant experience as a Scrum Master, and one category where you maybe have just transitioned from any other role to Scrum Master role. So both the cases I will cover, that how effectively or how confidently you can approach this answer during the interview. Okay. So my first suggestion, which is very common and which we all are aware, like start with your name, total and relevant years of experience. Second is, highlight your experience and your skill set and the certification you have done. So to frame this part, my suggestion will be go through thoroughly the JD part of the organization for which you are appearing for the interview. You will find that in their JD, they might have mentioned that few skill set they are required, and few maybe some certification also they have mentioned. From the skill set, if you are already working as a Scrum Master, I am very sure 80% of the skill set you are already possessing. Make sure that you take the wordings from the JD and you use it, or you frame your introduction with those skill set. Make sure that those are there as a part of your introduction. And the certification they have mentioned, if you have already done it, make sure that you have mentioned it during the introduction period. Okay. Even like if you have not done those certificate, but you have done some other Scrum related certificate, then you can add those as well. Okay. This area, what will happen, that when we try to align with the JD, what it helps the interviewer to understand, okay, this is the right candidate which we are kind of for this opportunity, maybe he or she can be a good fit. So this can be a good start if you introduce yourself with these points. My next suggestion will be, if you are just transitioned from any other role to Scrum Master role, you may have within 2 years of experience, relevant experience as a Scrum Master. Then after this, what you can do, you can emphasize a bit on your transition journey, like what are the area motivates you to take the Scrum Master role from your previous role. So this area just emphasize a bit. And if you are already working as a Scrum Master, maybe 5+ years or 3+ years, then you can mention your accomplishment, like as a Scrum Master, how you helped your organization, your teams to be agile way of working, and how many teams you have helped to this transition. And just try to align with the data whenever you will be suggesting, or you will be introducing yourself in your accomplishment. Because if we provide data to our accomplishment, like this many teams we have helped, these are the leading clients we have helped in their transition, or any framework you have helped them to implement. So try with the real time example where you have actually done it. It gives some clarity and a good standpoint for against your accomplishment which you are stating. Okay, the next my suggestion will be, along with your accomplishment, emphasize a bit on your current role in your current organization. You might have 10 plus 5, 15 plus years of experience, and you have worked in various clients, various projects, various organizations, but make sure that you emphasize mostly on your current role, and it should be aligned with the requirement. Now, the next part will be emphasize on your strength. If you see most of the JD, I have found that they are mostly asking some good to have skill set, like good collaboration skill, good team player, good communication skill. So whatever strength on this you find that you are having, you are confident about it, just add those as your extra skill set, which will be adding a value to the organization. So add those as well. My last point will be, conclude with some lines that why you applied for this job, why you feel that this organization will add some value in your career or in your career growth or professional growth, because why you are a right candidate for the organization, as well as why this opportunity is right for you. Both the things are very important. So both the things we should add in our introduction. So conclude with this. And my last suggestion will be, like, ensure you provide enough information, but like without overwhelming the interviewer. So try to make it within 2 to 3 minutes. Don't take it more than 2 to 3 minutes. And now I will give you a demo that with these all points, how you can frame your introduction. Okay, so let's start. Hello, I am Saheli, and I am an experienced IT professional with 11 plus years of industry experience. Over the past 4 plus years, I have dedicated my focus as a Scrum Master, specializing in Agile project management. I hold certifications in Scale Agile Framework, Professional Scrum Master, and Professional Scrum Product Owner, which have further strengthened my expertise in this field. Throughout my career, I have worked with various frameworks, including SAFe, Scrum, and Kanban. I have actively contributed to agile transformations within organization for various leading clients, and more than 10 plus team got benefited with it. I have assisted my teams in adopting agile practices and achieving successful outcomes. We were able to enhance our feature lead cycle time by 10%, and which led to higher customer satisfaction level after adhering agile methodology. Additionally, I had the opportunity to assist one of our clients in implementing Scale Agile framework, and by working closely with their team, we successfully launched their first Agile release train art within a year. That was a big achievement for us. And team level, my primary responsibilities are like facilitating all Scrum event when and as required, facilitating collaboration, helping and guiding the team to remove the impediments, and tracking metrics to ensure the value delivery to the customer. Moreover, I have been guiding the teams in driving continuous improvement initiatives, fostering a culture of learning and innovation. With my experience and passion for agile methodologies, I am now seeking new opportunity to further enhance my skills and contribute to the success of a dynamic organization. Thank you. Okay, so this is kind of a demo I have given, how applying those suggestions, you can like frame your introduction. You can customize it based on your need, based on the job description. But this is the high level idea I wanted to give. Now if you find this one is mostly suitable for the role or the experience of a scrum master, maybe the scrum master is having 5+ years of experience, relevant experience as a scrum master. But as I mentioned, there can be scenario two as well, where maybe you have just started, or you have experience mostly within 2 years, relevant experience. Your overall experience might be 10 plus 11 plus years, but relevant experience is mostly 1 year or 2 year. In that case, you can customize it, like where I have mentioned that agile transformation, safe implementation. Instead of those area, you can emphasize on your transition journey. As I mentioned, like you can elaborate this as like, throughout my career I have gained valuable experience in various roles, primarily in QA within scrum teams. However, my passion for effective agile project management led me to transition into the scrum master role. And then you can continue with the rest of the introduction, which I have already covered. Okay, so hope it was helpful for you all. So those who are viewing this, watching this, please like, subscribe and share our channels. Thank you.